Welcome to DCOPS video training. In this presentation, I will demonstrate how to complete the Add or Update Company Details data entry screen in DCOPS. If you are beginning at the main menu, you can access the contract data entry screens by selecting the contract link under Processing Options to the left of the contract number of the contract in question. Remember that if the contract link is grayed out, this means that the contract is currently in a status that does not allow for editing. Clicking on the contract link always takes you to the first data entry screen, Contract Details. From here you can navigate to the Add or Update Company Details data entry screen in two ways. On the left is a light blue box with links to each data entry screen. To move to the Add or Update Company Details data entry screen, simply click the primary Company Details link in the blue box. You can also navigate to the Add or Update Company Details data entry screen by clicking the Save and Continue button repeatedly until you arrive at the Add or Update Company Details data entry screen. On the Add or Update Company Details data entry screen, you will find many of the features that are common in DCOPS. In the blue bar at the very top of the screen is the data entry screen name. In the gray bar just below that are three links: Log Out of DCOPS, Main Menu, and DCOPS Technical Support. Clicking Log Out of DCOPS will immediately log you out, but will not save any data that has been entered since the last save. Clicking Main Menu will return you to the main menu or dashboard, again without saving. Clicking DCOPS Technical Support will allow you to send a message to our office asking for assistance with DCOPS. There are three buttons across the top of the data entry area: Review Application, Submit to DOCPER, Save Company Details and Continue, and Cancel. Clicking Review Application, Submit to DOCPER will cause DCOPS to check for all required information and documentation, and if the application is viewed as complete, you will be asked to confirm that you would like to submit the contract package for review. Clicking the Save Company Details and Continue button will save the data you have entered and advance you to the next data entry screen. Clicking Cancel will simply stop what you are doing without saving any data. The purpose of the Add or Update Company Details data entry screen is to allow you to fully identify the company or corporation that will provide the services required under the subject contract or task order. This information is used for reporting purposes, is included in the AE Form 715-9A that is provided to the German authorities, and is also partly included on the 1172-2s of all individuals who receive NATO SOFA status associated with this contract. You can identify the company or corporation in two ways. The preferred method is simply to find the company or corporation on the Current Company drop-down list. The alternate method is to click the Add New Company link. When you look at the drop-down list, you will notice quite a bit of duplication. That is because DCOPS interprets any difference in a company name as indicating that a different company has been referenced. Anytime a COR uses a company or corporation name that is different in any way from previous entries, it creates a new entry on the drop-down list. It is important to note that DCOPS tracks company and corporation name information separately from the address and telephone information. What this means is that not only can you have company and corporation names that are essentially duplicates, but you can also have multiple addresses for the same company or corporation. This amount of potential duplication is necessary because the company or corporation name and address information must match the information included on the contract itself. If you select a company or corporation from the drop-down list, it will automatically populate the company name, phone numbers, and address with information previously provided. Please note that if there is more than one available address for a particular company or corporation, DCOPS will give you the option of choosing between the available addresses before populating the information. If the company or corporation name is not accurately included on the drop-down list, you will need to click the Add New Company link in order to enter the required information. If the company name is correct but the address and telephone number information is not accurately available, simply select any available address and then correct it. When the data is saved, DCOPS will save the new information as a new company or corporation address. Remember that you click Add New Company only when the correct name of the company or corporation does not currently exist on the drop-down menu. Adding or correcting address and telephone information does not require that you use the Add New Company function. If the company or corporation name, address, and telephone numbers are all entered correctly, you can proceed to the next data entry screen by clicking the Save and Continue button. If DCOPS discovers significant incomplete data elements, you will not be able to proceed to the next data entry screen, and DCOPS will give you an error message prompting you to complete the data entry before proceeding. If you are able to proceed to the Subcontractor Details data entry screen, then you can be assured that you have successfully completed the Add or Update Company Details data entry screen. Congratulations!